Hey everybody, my name is Deasia. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new for the first time, welcome. Today is day 13 of my Slaytober series where I'm uploading a different Halloween look every day of October. Today is eyeballs. I don't know, I just think it's really cute. I think this is really cute last minute look. If you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue on watching. Okay, let's get started right back into this look. Don't mind my voice, I am coming down with a cold. Don't mind my nose. If y'all see my nose running a little bit, just ignore it. I'm gonna try to like and my eyes keep watering too, like, and it's 5:30 in the morning, so bear with me. Now we about to get back into this look. So I think I want to do like regular eyebrows in the front and then red at the end, so that's what I'm gonna do. So the first thing is I'm starting out with my Benefits Cosmetics brow pencil, Goof proof brow pencil, and I'm only gonna fill in the front first. And now I'm taking this angled brush and I'm going into my You Can Be paint palette, and the first color that I'm going to use is this red right here. Actually, no, I'm not. My P. Louise base is perfect for this. So I'm going to take my P. Louise base, and the base is Bright's collection. This is called Rude Boy Red. I'm going to clean it up with my matte concealer in the Studio Finish. This is in the shade NW40. I'm using my Smashbox foundation in the shade medium dark. I think this foundation is a little light. I went outside the other day. Was it the other day? And I guess I got lighter. I mean darker. I'm so tired. It does look a little light, but I don't care. I'm gonna contour it up. I thought my camera was recorded and it wasn't, but I just used my Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer, and I think this is a little too light too. Oh, I'm just really tired, but good thing I'm putting some concealer on. I'm using my Juvia's Place setting powder in the shade Kalahari to set under my eyes. So I'm starting off on my Athena paint palette first, and the first color I'm going to go in is this white color. And I see an easier way to do this instead of drawing the circles myself. I'm going to stick this inside of my paint. 1 second. And I'm going to stick this piece, I'm going to stick this in onto the paint. Okay, I'll take it. My foundation is making it turn like a brownish color, but that's okay. We'll just keep going over it until it turns white. I'm going to set my circles with the setting powder that came with my paint palette. And to make my circles even more wider, I'm going on top of them with my Makeup Revolution setting powder. Now I'm about to go back with this and just clean all the fallout. Now with that same palette, I'm using this red right here, and next tool I'm going to use is my concealer top. I think it's going to be small enough. Yeah. So I got it on my arm already, and I'm just going to rub it in like that. Oh, I done got the white and the red mixed up. Hold on. That did not work out how I thought it would. Maybe I need to add more. Okay, so I think that's as good as it's gonna get. And we just gotta fix it the rest ourselves. And give us some type of guide. Now I'm using that same paint to fill that in. This lipstick gonna hit the spot every time. Every time, because y'all seen that that paint was not working. I'm taking that black paint and I'm using the end of this eyeliner tip and creating my eye, my pupil. I'm going to take the end of this tip with the white and create like a little white dot. So I'm using this red paint again, and I'm about to draw the little lines, red lines on the eye. This paint isn't working with the details, so I'm going to go in with my P. Louise Base Basic Brights in the shade Rude Boy Red. So now I'm going to take that Basics Brights Rude Boy Red and the red from the paint palette, just because it was already mixed in my hand. I made a mistake and mixed it. I just want to do the same exact thing that I did to the other side so I can get the same color. And this is what I'm going to use to create my liner. Oh, I cannot see. Next, I'm using the NYX Glitter Brilliance. Say that 3 times fast. NYX Glitter Brilliance, NYX Glitter Brilliance, NYX Glitter Brilliance. I'm going to do my lips. I'm going to outline them black. I don't know, I want a dark look today to go with the eyes. I don't know. So I'm going on my Too Faced Melted Matte Red lipstick in the shade Lady Balls. I'm going to put this right in the middle of my lip. I'm using my Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara by Too Faced. So the look is done. It's really cute and easy, and it's like, I would say this is like the perfect last minute Halloween costume and the perfect Halloween makeup to do when it's 7:28 in the morning. It took like an hour. It took an hour, which isn't too bad. If you enjoyed this look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you won't miss another beat, and follow my socials that's in the description, and I will see you guys in my next video.